memorize as many letters as you can from the word puzzle and copy those to your worksheet when you return to your respective groups. You find the witches in your team. If you feel that one of your teammates is a witch, say witch. If you are caught, too bad, keep silent and sit there. Are you ready? Yes.
For me,
Who do you point at? Who do you point
I
at?
pointed our RA.
Wow.
Sorry. Okay, when she went on to the toilet, we all had a blackout meeting to discuss.
Our group, the which that we suspected, number one is Chandran, and then the second is our district director. Chandran, we suspected him because when he wrote the letters, right, then we go and audit his working. And then we found out of the letters that he gave us is misleading. I'm not sure if it's intentional or he tried to guess, but then we feel that he is one of the rich, so that's why we voted him. And then for our district director, we also suspected the same, and we also go and check the letters that he gave us, but then it's different from what other letters provided, so we also voted district director. Thank you.
Hi, it's Kugan, that one is Cody. So why Kugan? At first, I think I see he's not really participating. And then he pulled me aside and said, hey, I know you're not a witch, so we're going to catch the witch together. So in my thinking, I said, how he can confirm that I'm not a witch? Meaning he's like witch himself. Then later there's one hour he came in, then he only gave 2 letters and he's different.
That's what I said.
Reason.
No wish. No wish.
Reason.
Oh, innocent.
Reason. Reason.
I'm also reason.
Reason.
I know.
Reason.
Come together as a team. Remember yesterday, the game that by Liana, we cannot choose our team members. So the only one key word for us to work together is trust. Of course, you may have seen different characters, different patterns, and this is because of their characters, or this is because of the level of their knowledge, or maybe also because of the DISC character that Stephen always mentioned.